Hello and welcome back to Quaife Engineering. My name's Dave and I'm the Chief Operations Officer. Today I'm going to be showing you our new gear display and exactly how you set it up when in the car. So here we have the old display, which is the old digital type, and here we have the new full colour TFT display. So let's get cracking and let's show you how to set it up.
Okay, so first things first, plug it in. As soon as we plug it in, we'll see the nice Quaife display. And then what we'll have, this one showing neutral, your one will likely just show a dash because it hasn't been set up before. 3 buttons on the side. We have the menu/enter button, we have up, we have down. So first things first, we're just going to press that menu enter button and it will show the setup screen. So at the top we have gear order, so that is literally the order of gears in the gearbox. All of ours are reverse, neutral, first, second, and then either third, fourth or fifth, depending on what gears you've got in your gearbox, whether it's a 4-speed, 5-speed or 6-speed. So once that's set, we then go down to the next one. So we have forward gears, so select the number of forward gears. So you've got an option of 4, 5 or 6. This Mark III Focus RS sequential is a 5-speed, so we just hit enter. Back down to position tolerance. Now if you've got a slight flicker on the gearbox, you might want to change that, but however 10 should be fine, so start with 10. Sample gear position, so this was literally setting up the display so it knows exactly what gear the gearbox is in. So we hit enter and it will take you through every single step. So first step is to select reverse gear. So in the car we're going to select reverse gear, so just push forward on the lever and that's now in reverse. So we hit set, so enter. Then it's asking for neutral. We're into neutral, set, first gear, set. Now what I'd always recommend doing when going up the gearbox is just to lift the clutch slightly so you know that the car is in gear before you hit set. So set, second gear, lift up, set. Third gear, lift up, set. Fourth gear, set. Fifth gear, set. And you should hear, if you do get a little bit of dog on dog and it doesn't go in, just lift the clutch up and you'll hear a clonk, and that's when you know the gearbox is in gear. Next stage is the warning threshold. So this is for the actual temperature of the gearbox. I'd always recommend setting that to about 105 because you generally don't want to run the gearbox above 105 degrees for any length of time. Then we have the color setup. So this is literally custom to what you want to set it to. So we have a number of different options, all the way from white to gray to red, purple, blue, and then all the way up. So nice bold color is normally good for the color. And then temperature, I wouldn't personally set it to red because red is normally a warning. So I'd set it to either yellow, green, white is normally quite good as well, just so it's nice and clear. Rotation, so if you've got the display upside down, you can rotate it 180 degrees and then click back, and then we are done. So then what I'd recommend you do is go all the way down the gearbox and then just make sure you've got every single display. So we've got reverse, neutral, first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and there we are, we're done.